Hello, Professor. My name is Sawan Patel, and today I'm going to work on Lab 5, which is working with Tableau. For that, I have data of immigration record from 1865 to 1883, and I already put my data in the Tableau. So let's start to create some charts. First of all, going in the sheet 1, I'm going to select date of application here, and total number of people come in the Canada by the immigration. So this is the bar chart, and looks a lot of data here. So I'm going to select the top 10, and for that I'm going in top by field, government party, apply. Okay, and I'm going to add the label into it. So it shows the mark like 262, 283, 292, and all. Here I'm going to change the name. Total number of people arrived between 1865 to 1883. Calculator, middle, plus. Okay, so here is my first chart, which shows the total number of people arrived in Canada between 1865 to 1883, and I choose the top 10 data, and here is my first chart. I'm going to create the second chart now. For that, I'm going to get date of application first, and put the nationality for this time. I'm going to measure by count for this last data, so to filter it by 10 also for this time also. To apply, and okay, trying to add some label. So for this time I get the data of application, date of application, and nationality, and for this time it shows the I selected this chart, the box chart, and I'm going to change the name of this chart also. I'm going to add count of nationality. It's the same between 1865 to 1883. I'm just selecting the mirror, light, set the okay. Now this is my second chart. I'm going to add another chart. For this chart, I'm also get the date of application, the all numbers. I'm going to add the children female, children male this time. And for the comparison, I'm going to select side by side bars, and for that I'm going, yeah, I have my charts here. children female, children male. Yeah, that's okay. Top 10. Application. Apply. Select OK. So here it shows a comparison that children of female and children of male that came in Canada by immigration by by the date. Here it shows the date, and I selected the top 10 date for this order, and going to change the name also. Number of children, women and men by count between 1865 to 1883. Let's apply. Okay, select count. No, sorry, yeah. This is my third chart, and I'm going to create the dashboard for now. So here I put my all three charts in a dashboard. So this is my first chart, this is my second, and this is my third chart. Thank you very much.